What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video, sorry guys, let me just turn off some notification here. Let's see. Okay, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video is gonna be a beautiful video, guys. I mean, it's nothing special. It's just an update on my FTMO trading journey. Who don't know me? My name is Nick. I'm trying to pass 100k FTMO challenge, guys. If you're gonna ask me my experience, I can reply just one thing. It's not that easy, man. Like, I don't know. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best to pass it. But I'm still like, I'm a profitable trader, but I still have some psychology things that I have to deal with. And I realized that the actual trading strategy means nothing in the Forex industry compared to psychology. I've been profitable. I actually realized that I've been profitable so long time, but due to my psychology problem, I was going like ups and down, ups and down, ups and down. So basically, it's kind of like too hard, guys. Like, that's what we as a trader we have to deal with. We have to deal me versus me. Is nobody else. It's just me and only me at the computer and charts. So basically, I'm always trying to like, I'm seeing my setup. I'm giving like just an example, yeah. I'm seeing my setup, and man, I don't know, when I'm sitting in the weekends, I try to meditate and do all this good stuff, yeah. And I'm like coming on Monday like very motivated to get the trades. And I'm seeing the trades, I'm following my plan, I'm patient, everything is lit. But when it's about to take a trade, I'm like a little bit scared to jump into a trade, but I'm gonna explain you why, guys. From start, yeah, I was jumping to a trade with no emotions, everything was nice. But I realized, because I'm on my winning streak so long that I don't wanna interrupt this winning streak. And that kind of is the feelings that it doesn't allow me to jump back into a trade, because I'm scared kind of to lose. But I'm trying to kind of like deal with that stuff. I don't know what happened to you before, but I'm pretty sure it did, because when you actually like on your winning streak, you're becoming so confident and you're trying to like grab every single trade and you want to be the winner one, you know, which is kind of, you know, it's hard. It's hard. That's what I have to deal with. I don't know what about you guys, but I have to deal. So basically, I still, on Friday, I took a trade. It was like 0.25 risk, and I closed it up like around 1 to 1. Risk to reward ratio, nothing special, everything good. And let's just see the stats, guys. Right now we are sitting on the 2.55%. Still not bad. Still not bad. Let's see our curve, how is working. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, man. I love it. Look at this. Very smoothly we're going up. And since then, look at that. Look at this beauty, man. I had so many days winning streak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 days of winning streak, guys. 14 days of winning streak. So obviously nobody wants to lose it. So that's what I'm saying, guys. The trading is very tricky. It's not about the strategy. The strategy works. Even Friday I was seeing an entry and it did work out, but I kind of was scary of this non-farm payroll. But I got my own rule. I'm not trading the news, especially on my FTMO account. So yeah, guys, you know, that's the thing, because I got a good strategy. I got a good risk management. I got a good patience, discipline. But I have to deal right now with the fear. It's insane, man, like how this trading works. If I'm gonna be able to pass over this stage, to trade fearless, then guys, let me just, what I wanna say, if I'm gonna pass over this stage, guys, I'm gonna make tons of money. I know that. The problem is right now, it's just because I have to deal with all this stuff, and that's kind of like, it's not easy, you know. Like, you can judge me, guys, but you know, the stats is showing you 63% win rate. Yeah, everybody can see. Let me just make my, sorry about that. Everybody can see, guys, my stats here. You got 63% win rate, and you got 10 RR, 10.16 RR. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. And most of them, they are on execute on Euro USD, because that's only the pair that I trade. I try to trade, but sometimes I'm joking and I'm jumping to the other pairs, but that's how trading is. No one is perfect, so whatever people were gonna say, man, the trading is not that easy how it looks like. So yeah, guys, at least I just gave you an update. Today I wasn't trading because I was busy with my job, so I kind of see my setup, but I haven't taken it, only because it was like my setup category C, you know, like it wasn't that perfect scenario. I like when it's perfect, when everything lines up perfectly, but sometimes it's like, but you got like a bad feelings, so you just don't. I already better won't take that trade if I having a bad feeling. But I'm dealing with that to trade fearless. If I'm gonna trade fearless, then I definitely will gonna pass my FTM account very shortly. But anyway, guys, that's it for this video. If you like it, please a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Peace and love. I'm out.